Welcome back to One Drawer December, where this month we're going to taste all 31 flavors of my tool drawer variety each day, pick out my favorite tool, and talk to you a little bit about it. Oh boy, and we're really starting to get into it now. This drawer is one of my hodgepodge drawers that I just haven't made a strong effort to clean out yet. But what it has in it is some diagnostic tools and some other precision tools that wouldn't fit in any other drawer. Like, that's my 3/8 clicker torque wrench. My half is in this box. It's among one of my favorites. In fact, I'll go ahead and say this is my favorite tool in this drawer. This is a Proto. And the primary reasons why I like this thing is it is basically the nicest torque wrench that I could afford from a brand that I respected as being a professional tool, if not the best possible professional tool. I've had some cheaper wrenches like Craftsman's let me down in the past to the point where they destroyed parts letting me down. That wasn't too cool. So I wanted to step up to something decent. This particular one is also like super long for a 1/2 inch anyway. I think it's like 3 or 4 inches longer than a typical one, which is one of the reasons it's stored funky in this drawer. But yeah, I really like this wrench. It was not a budget tool, but it wasn't super terrible either. I think it was, around a couple $100. It wasn't like $1,000 for a genuine, like a truly professional quality wrench. But it came with a calibration sheet and all that stuff, so it's at least the day it was delivered, it was in an industrial quality laboratory grade tool is what I would call it. Not the Cadillac, like a Snap-on or a Mac or whatever it might be. And as a runner-up, for those of more mortal budgets, this is a kit full of automotive relays that are just switches, so you can manually turn circuits on and off. If you have not already, you're going to see these used in a whole boatload of videos coming really soon. I realize you can accomplish the same thing with a paper clip or a jumper wire or whatever, but it is nice to just get the correct blade pattern and just plug it in and then have a nice on-off switch to be able to troubleshoot things. This kit was disturbingly more expensive than you might imagine, but it still wasn't too bad, and it's just one of those things that's handy to have around should you ever find yourself in the need to have one. I will link everything I can down in the description, and we will catch up again tomorrow.